Time check, 4:38. We're here in Breakthrough Restaurant. Kasi dito daw, magpapaluto ka ng food, pipili ka kung anong gusto mong kainin. For our last dinner here in Iloilo, we went to Breakthrough, a well-known seaside restaurant famous for its fresh seafood and laid-back ambience. We enjoyed a feast of grilled pusit, baked scallops, kinilaw, buttered shrimp, lechon, and of course, the highlight, lobster. Kanamit! Oh, first time ko makakakain.
Bigyan mo ng sauce. Lobster. Dala tayo ng kapasarap.
Okay. Hello.